Hello, I'm in a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, you're going to start the vehicle, make sure everything's on, and that this is all lit up so you can see what's going on. And then from here, as you can see, I don't have anything connected now. So we'll go to Settings, and then we'll go to Bluetooth. And there's a limited number of phones that can be stored, so you might need to delete a phone before you can add a new phone. So we'll check that side first. So there are some open slots, but say we want to delete one of these first. We can do that. And then here in Add New, it's now searching for a phone. So from your phone device, make sure your Bluetooth's on, which is that symbol. And then typically if you press and hold that on many phones, it'll take you to your pairing menu. So from here, pair new device. And as this vehicle said, we're looking for my car. Sometimes this might take a few minutes or a few tries of resetting your phone or the car, but usually the first try will work. Just need a little patience. Alright, so it just popped up, my car. And then you can sync your calendar, so your phone book, things like that, your messages, just to make it easier for taking calls. But we're going to match this random numbers that it generated do match, so we'll hit pair. And again, we'll just wait and we'll be all set in just a moment. So now we're successfully connected. Again, it wants to see if you want to sync up messages, all that. But now you should be able to take phone calls, get messages, listen to music, especially newer models. You also can typically sync up navigation and maps and things like that as well. But you can click through your audio to get to your Bluetooth. So this should be the Bluetooth audio is where your phone would play. If you're having issues with this, first make sure you're actually playing something from your phone and that the volume is turned on. And that the volume is also turned on your display here if you're having trouble hearing it. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.